Charging this bad boy has been a pain in my... What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Oivo charger station for the Dualsense controller for the PS5. I'm gonna tell you guys a little story on how I decided to get this, and I'm going to test it out and do some reviewing for you guys, and I'm going to unbox it for you. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons down below and that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop future videos. Okay, charging this, like I told you, has been really like, and it just you would think it'd be easy to, it is easy to charge, but it's been doing some weird stuff to me lately. Like the first time, like about a couple weeks ago, I charges this directly from my PS5 to here. I just plug it up, plug the USB Type-C cable in, and just charge it. What I do is I look for the indicator lights, and when the indicator lights are on, or when they stop, that means it's fully charged. It can't be charged no more. What had happened was I charge it like until it's fully charged, and one morning when I got up and I turned on my PS5 because I wanted to download something that because to play PS5. You can pause your downloads or resume. I wanted to resume my download because it was a big download. I wanted to resume it, and I turned it on, and the battery was totally drained out of this. Like, it was completely empty. I'm like, what's going on here? I charged it fully, and why is it's charging like, the battery is dead. So, and I did it again like about a couple weeks ago, and it did the same thing, which is horrible. So I called Sony, and she was giving me some bullshit excuse about, how it could be the USB port, use the back. When I use the back, I know it's two in the back, but I use the back one. Well, I use one of the back ones for my 4 terabyte external hard drive. So shout out to Sony for the update to allow you to transfer PS5 games onto your external hard drive. But I only use one of them in the back. I mainly use it for the front to charge. I just plug the USB Type-C in to charge it from the front. And she's like, and Sony, I love Sony. I've loved Sony like for years, man. They've always been one of the top electronics brands in the world for the past, since they've been in existence. Okay, but they have lied to the consumers repeatedly leading up to the release of the PS5, especially with their accessories, because we all know the PS5, the PlayStation 5, it wasn't going to be available. It was going to be in high demand, and they released it during the pandemic, which everybody was staying at home and stuff, and they released it during the pandemic. We're still in the pandemic, but it seems like it's not as worse as it was like last year, which everybody really wasn't vaccinated then, and it was really bad, and they released it in like the fall of 2020. Had they released it this year, I'm pretty sure everybody would have gotten a PlayStation 5. But anyway, make a long story short, they lied. Especially about their accessories. They said, the accessories would be available. The charging stations would be available. The camera would be available. The controllers, the Dualsense controllers would be available. And you know what? That's horseshit! That's terrible. Very, very terrible to mislead the consumers like that. It's terrible. And I decided to get this, and the PlayStation 5 charging station was, the Sony charging station rather, PlayStation 5 Sony rather, it It's sold out everywhere. I can't even find it anywhere. And this one was like $9 cheaper. And I heard some great reviews about this. So, Sony needs to step their game up when they release future stuff. That's just, I'm gonna just leave it at that. Okay, back to the charging station. Here it is. It has a power adapter included in this, which is a huge plus because I've seen a couple that did not include a power adapter, and those ones you have to charge directly from your PlayStation 5. I'm done charging it directly from my PlayStation 5. So let's unbox this, and this should be an easy unboxing. So let's see what you get. Turn it around so you guys can see. Excuse me. Okay, this must be the charging station because it's long. Yep, here it is. It almost looks like actually, it does look similar to the PlayStation 5 one. I like the white and black, and I think the indicator lights are on. Yeah, the indicator lights on there. See, it has an on and off button in the back. See, like that, and you have your USB Type-C cable that you plug in there. Got some instruction manuals. Toss that to the side. I'm gonna toss it to the side like Caleb Dennison. Shout out to Caleb Dennison and everybody at Digital Trends, because I love their content, man, and I'm hoping to work for them one day, man. Digital Trends, shout out to them, and shout out to Caleb Dennison. Okay, so here's the adapter. Yeah, I'm just gonna rip the I should have did it by tape, but yeah, here's the adapter, USB Type-C, small adapter. And that's about it. That's in the box. So I'm going to plug this up. I'm gonna set it up, and I'll be back and show y'all if it's good or not, or how my perspective on how it is. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm back, guys. So I've set this up, and it looks really, really amazing. You got 2 charging stations, and I love how they give you 2, because just in case you want to charge a second controller. I have no plans of getting a second controller in the future, but if I do, I have 2 charging ports on this charging station. So, and there's the lights right there, which I think this thing has to go in the dark, man. This is a glow in the dark one, so let me put it on and see how good it charges. And as you can see there, see the indicator lights on the Dualsense, and you see the red down there. That means it's charging. If it's charging in red, that means if it's a red light, it means it's charging. If it's a green light, I know it means it's fully charged. So it's charging right now. So so there you have it, and I plugged it from a wall socket, and the USB Type-C goes all the way to the charger. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to be dropping future videos, future gaming videos. I stream directly from my PS5 to YouTube, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a good day. Stay safe. I appreciate y'all subscribing to my channel, and like I said, stay safe and have a great weekend. Peace.